Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to read numbers, from small ones all the way to millions and beyond. We start with small numbers. This is 5, then 42, and 315. Notice how we say the hundreds part first, then the tens and ones. Next, we move to thousands. This is 1,000, 7,845, and 23,015. Now let's look at hundred thousands. This is 100,000, and this one is 321,456. This is where it starts to feel big. We say 1 million, 4,512,300. And 17,800,009? Here's a quick tip. Big numbers are grouped every 3 digits from the right, into thousands, millions, billions, and so on. Can you read this number? Take a moment. It's 2,019,045,701. Let's practice more. 1, 12, 105, 1,234, 12,345,678, 7 billion, 7 trillion, 3 quadrillion 500 trillion, 1 quintillion, 9 sextillion 876 quintillion 543 quadrillion 210 trillion. Beyond sextillion, here are more large number groups: septillion, octillion, nonillion, decillion, undecillion, duodecillion, tredecillion, quatuordecillion, quindecillion, sextillion, septendecillion, octodecillion, novemdecillion, vigintillion, centillion. Final tip: always group the digits into threes and read from left to right. You'll master big numbers in no time.